Hey guys, I'm going to show you how quickly you can write a computer program with ChatGPT. First I'm going to say hi ChatGPT, because if I don't say hi ChatGPT it just throws an error. And it just says, hello, can I assist you today? I'm going to say, help me write a program that recreates the scene from the Matrix in Python. Wow, my typing skills have gotten really poor. I guess the speech recognition and touchscreens have really influenced my typing game, apparently. Okay, so I'm going to put a little more detail in here, where Morpheus contacts Neo over the computer. Alright, that's going to be good enough. Let's see what it says. Sure, I can help you with that. Recreating the iconic scene from the Matrix, where Morpheus contacts Neo over computer. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so let's just copy this code here. Open up Notepad. Paste that in there. And save it. And we'll change that to all files, because we have to save it as a Python file. So we're going to call it the Matrix. Matrix2.py. Okay, now let's open up a command prompt. Type in, or we got to go to where the file is, under Documents. Then we'll go to Python to run it with, then the matrix2.py, and there you go, it's running. Now obviously this isn't exactly what I wanted to happen as far as recreating the Matrix scene, but I have enough information here now that I could really easily just manipulate the program and make it the way I envisioned. And you can do this yourself on any device. You just need to have Python installed and then basically follow what I just did. Create a document, save it as a Python file, .py, run it through your command prompt or whatever type of terminal you have on your system.